time to honor the champions who turned their sweat into glory, presenting the most awaited segment of the day, the prize distribution ceremony. I request our chief guest and the management members to distribute the prizes to the achievers. And now I invite Ms. Ilayarasi and Ms. Catherine to read the prize winners.
Good evening, everyone. I request our chief guest, our principal ma'am, our correspondent sir to distribute the prizes. 60 meters running race for 4th boys. First place, Yuvaneshwaran G of 4th B. Second place, Bharat K of 4th B. Third place, Madesh R of 4th B. Next, 60 meters running race for 5th boys. First place, Mitran B of 5th A. Second place, Arishwar K of 5th A. Third place, Kanish A of 5th A. Next, sitting 60 meter running race for 6th boys. First place, Susindran V of 6B. Second place, Sarvesh SM of 6C. Third place, Lashwin R of 6A. Meters running race for 7th standard. First place, Prajan E of 7th B. Second place, Avinash S of 7th C. Third place, Adas Varshan N of 7th C. Next, 60 meters running race for 8th boys. First place, Deepak M of 8th C. Second place, Kirti Vasan R of 8th C. Third place, Sonu Kumar R of 8th C. Next, 60 meters running race for 9th boys. First place, Parivender S of 9th C. Second place, Madhimurian D of 9th B. Third place, Praveen K of 9th C. Next, 100 meters running race for 10th boys. First place, Pranav Darshan V of 10th B. Second place, Niranjan U of 10th C. Third place, Sivanyanam S of 10th C. Next, 100 meters running race. First place, Balamurugan R of 11th A2. Second place, Ajay Santosh 11th A1B. Third place, Sohail Farvez S 11th A2. Meter running race. First place, Uday Ilakian N M of 12th A3. Second place, Raghunath S of 12th A4. Third place, Akash T of 12th A4. Next, 60 meter running race for 4th girls. First place, Karishma R of 4th B. Second place, Rakshita R of 4th A. Third place, Magita Shri A of 4th B. Next, 60 meters running race for 5th girls. First place Jafia J of 5th C. Second place Danita M of 5th A. Third place Arshini D of 5th A. Meter running race for 6 girls. First place Sai Kirupa P of 6C. Second place Rakshita A of 6A. Third place Varshuta S of 6C. Meters running race for 7 girls. First place Mohanapriya A of 7C. Second place Sivalakshanya S of 7C. Third place Latika S of 7th A. Next 60 meter running race for 8 girls. First place Jayamitra L of 8B. Second place Koshika A of 8B. Third place Moshika P of 8B. Next 60 meter running race for 9 girls. First place Girivadana S of 9C. Second place Pritika Sri of 9B. Third place Kavya Darshini BV of 9C. 100 meter running race for 10 girls. First place Ajita A of 10C. Second place Navina P of 10C. Third place Devadarshini C of 10C. Next 100 meter race for 11th girls. First place Varsha K of 11th A1B. Second place Aishwarya K of 11th A3. Third place Kanishka S of 11th A2. Next 100 meter running race for 12 girls. First place Narmada P of 12th B1. Aisha Relaya M of 12th A1B. Dhanushri T of 12th A4. Next, back throw for boys. First place Bharat K of 4th B. Second place Joni DS of 4th A. Third place Fagim S of 4th A. Next, back throw of 5th boys. First place Akash G of 5th B. Second place Kiran Bala E of 5th B. Third place Sharma T of 5th C. Next, back throw event for girls. First place Sudikshana V of 4th B. Second place Juvaina Yashal M for 4th B. Third place Pritika A of 4th B. Back throw event for 5th girls. First place Amitra A of 5th B. Second place Nidandana V of 5th C. Third place Viviksha V of 5th A. Next event, baby javelin for boys. First place Sarvesh SM of 6C. Second place Sashwin N of 6C. Third place Lashwin R of 6A. Next, baby javelin for 7th boys. First place Gokul Raj D of 8th B. Second place Prajan E of 7th B. Third place Gaushik B of 7th B. Next, baby javelin for 6th girls. First place Samyukta B of 6th B. Second place Nandana R of 6th A. Third place Dakshita R of 6th A. Baby javelin for 7th girls. First place Torini V of 7th B. Second place Mohanapriya A of 7th C. Third place Shivanjali A of 7th A. Next, long jump for boys. First place Sarvesh SM of 6C. Second place Lashmin R of 6A. Third place Roshan R of 6C. Long jump for 7th boys. First place Ardik Gamne B of 7C. Second place Prajan E of 7th B. Third place Sham Prasad A of 7C. Long jump even for 8 boys. First place Deepak M of 8C. Second place Kamlesh I of 7B. Third place Gautam T of 8C. Long jump for 9th boys. First place Parivender S of 9C. Second place Madhimurian D of 9B. Third place Praveen K of 9C. Long jump for 11th boys. First place Sohail Farvez S of 11th A2. Ajay Santosh K of 11th A1B. Third place Balamurugan R of 11th A2. Long jump for 12th boys. First place Akash T of 12th A4. Second place Hamdan Halim A of 12th A2. Third place Danishwaran A of 12th A2. Next, long jump event for 6th girls. First place Varshuta S of 6C. Second place Arshita M of 6C. Third place Sai Kripa P of 6C. Long jump event for 7th girls. First place Latika S of 7th A. Second place Kamali S of 7th C. Third place Veda Sri G of 7th A. Long jump for 8th girls. First place Jayamitra L of 8B. Second place Priyadarshini CS of 8B. Third place Sahana A of 8B. Long jump for 9th girls. First place Girivadana S of 9C. Second place Yoga Malika S of 9C. Third place Akshaya M of 9th A. Long jump event for 11th girls. First place Kanishka S of 11th A2. Second place Aishwarya K of 11th A3. Third place Yogashri S of 11th A1B. Next, long jump event for 12th girls. First place Devadarshini K of 12th A1B. Narmada P of 12th B12. Third place Yuvashri T of 12th A1B. Short. event for 8 girls. First place, Monisha K of 8C. Second place, Divyashri T of 8B. Third place, Yokashni R of 8A. Shot put event for 10th boys. First place, Lingeshwar R of 10C. Second place, Agilan G of 10th B. Third place, Karan Haridas Bhavane H of 10th A. Shot put event for 11th boys. First place, Jagan M of 11th A1B. Second place, Asis Bibin AJ of 11th A2. Third place, Sai Nivas B of 11th A2. Shot put event for 10th girls. First place, Devadarshini C of 10th C. Second place, Garima Gabne of 10th C. Third place, Jessica AJ of 10th C. Shot put event for 11th girls. First place, Ramila Begum of 11th A1B. Second place, Joshika D of 11th B1. Third place, Gunavati R of 11th A1B. Shot put event for 8 boys. First place, Deepak M of 8C. Second place, Siddharth S of 8B. Third place, Surender M of 8B. Shot put event for 9th boys. First place, Praveen K of 9C. Second place, Ritik S of 9th A. Third place, Madhimurian D of 9th B. Relay event for 10th boys. First place, Pranav Darshan V of 10th B. Agilan G, 10th B. Divakar R of 10th B. Sivanjanam S of 10th C. Second place of relay, Kamlesh S of 10th A, Priyan Ranjan K of 10th B, Avinash S of 10th C, Niranjan U of 10th C. Third place, Niwaz Ali M of 10th A, Yugendran P of 10th B, Lingeshwar R of 10th C, Karan Haridas Bhavane H of 10th A. Next, relay event for girls. First place, Ajita A of 10th C, Monica S of 10th C. Rashmika P of 10th C, Hemashri P of 10th B. Second place, Devadarshini C of 10th C, Ranjani S of 10th C, Shruti V of 10th B, Hira V of 10th C. Third place, Navina P of 10th C, Kanimori S of 10th C, Charlata S of 10th C, Nitiksha S of 10th B. High jump for girls. First place Aishwarya K of 11th A3. Second place Gunavati R of 11th A1B. Third place Kanishka S of 11th A2. High jump for 12th girls. First place Aisha Relaya M of 12th A1B. Second place Kavya S 12th A4. Third place Parkavi R of 12th A4. High jump event for 11th boys. First place Ajay Santosh K of 11th A1B. Second place Sogel Farves A of 11th A2. Third place Balamurugan R of 11th A2. High jump for 12th boys. First place Darun D of 12th A1B. Second place Raghunath S of 12th A4. Third place Uday Ilakyan M of 12th A3. Shot put for 12th boys. First place Sri Balaji A of 12th A1B. Second place Uday Ilakyan M of 12th A3. Third place Shaktivel P of 12th A1B.
We will now honor all those students who will distinguish themselves in various sports. Football, 4th and 5th winners from Blue House. Devan A, Christine Chevant A, Harishwar K, Alvazik C, Sarvesh B, Sivanesh D, Monesh I, Ariharan S, Devakrishna S, Harikumaran R. The runners from the Yellow House: Fahim S, Darshan Shivanes, Mohammad Shahid, Haricharan V, Niranjan A, Maulisharan G, Mohammad Shahid, Hashwindaran V, Darshan V, Kishore N. The next game, badminton for standard 4th and 5th boys. Winners from the blue house, Ritesh P, Harish B, Mohammad Isam YS, Mohammad Aslam Yen. The runners from badminton from the greenhouse, Murali Krishnan S, Tavasi S, Saralamudan G, Ajay Vardhana S. Badminton, standard 4th and 5th girls, Kavidharani A, Yoshika R, Sumaya B, Roshana R. From the red house, Isai Sri U, Reema R, Jumainia Yashal, Manisha V. Throw ball, standard 4th and 5th girls, winner from the red house, Kritika S, Jafia J, Yashvi R, Lohita S, Kaushita S, Pragati R, Kirtana V, Maushika R, Gokulashri S, Adirai V. The runners from the greenhouse, Dakshayani VB, Umaira A, Sana K, Pritika A, Danshika U, Harshita A, Yogashri M, Sai Ritika Y, Lakshya G, Hemita A. The next event, football, standard 6th and 7th boys. Winners from the blue house, Darshan T, Jayabharat V, Kubendran M, Mohammad Ashik I, Mohammad Lutfi S, Kaushik S, Jagan A, Prajan E, Surendra Raj M, Sham Prasad A. Runners from the yellow house, Lokesh A, Suail A, Narendra Prasad V, Muganesh S, Sashwin N, Kaushik R, Kishore E, Harish M, Varun Kumar S, Adarsh Varshan N. Badminton, Standard 6th and 7th boys, winners from the greenhouse. Sai Shakti V, Siva Shanmugam S, Hardik Gavne. The runners from the yellow house, Taresh, Yashwant Raj, Vishnu S. The next event, Badminton, Standard 6th and 7th girls, winners from the yellow house, Sindhuja V, Hashita M, Pavani J. Runners from the greenhouse, Vainavi R, Sumaya A, Yogashri V. The next game, chess, Standard 6th and 7th boys, winners from the greenhouse, Ashwin Kumar S, Sabarish S. Runners from the red house, Kaushik B and Sarvesh SM. The next game, chess, Standard 6th and 7th girls, winners from the red house, Sai Kriba P, Premika A. Runners from the yellow house, Nandana R, Srisha M. The next game, Carom, Standard 6th and 7th boys, winners from the yellow house, Roshan R, Guru Shakti A. Runners from the blue house, Tamil Maran K, Farhan S. Carom, 6th and 7th girls, winners from the greenhouse, Nivedita L, Vinodini N. Runners from the red house, Latika S, Tanushia R. The next game, Coco, Standard 6th and 7th girls, winners from the blue house, Hemashri V, Rakshana R, Tanishka K, Sabrina S, Vashuta S, Subiksha R, Danya K, Sagana R, Megha P, Diyadarani V, Vishwaveda T. Runners from the Yellow House, Moshika M, Fahima M, Purnika P, Shiny J, Danishri I, Deepika G, Famina S, Ritika Shri M, Kamali S, Afifa Tahima N, Arshad Tafia A. Game football, standard 8 and 9 boys, winners from the greenhouse. Akash A, Siddharth S, Pragadish M, Praganand A, Daniel D, Nitin Raj K, Jaindra S, Sarvesh K, Lalit Kumar S, Devesh K. Runners from the Red House, INR D, Sugandan JS, Anirudh V, Bharat R, Ravivarman A, Jason M, Balajaindan L, Kaviyarasu R, Parivendan S, Abdul Rahman K.
Blue Stars has made remarkable achievement in Taekwondo also. Our student Rutika got gold medal in state level and also participated in SDFI Nationals. Here we have our students who won the belt exam conducted by Puducherry Taekwondo Sports Association, organized by Thunder Taekwondo Martial Arts School. I request our management members to distribute the belt and shield to the students.
Taekwondo achievers, Lakshmanan, Aishwarya, Harish, Abhinesh, Devakrishnan, Afifa Tafima, Yoshika, Paduka, Roshana, Mokesh, Manobharadi, Sana, Mohammed Shamir, Rutvika, Jasmine, Sarvesh, Vishwaveda, Mirtika. Jasim. The next game, Kabaddi, standard 8 and 9 boys, winners from the Red House, Mokesh M, Mufashir S, Lavan MK, Mohammad Atif A, Leolan A, Ritik S, Hafiz Ahmad T, Hatif A, Ishan E. Runners from the Blue House, Zubair M, Manobharati B, Kumaresh P, Pritiv S, Ajis T, Bhuvaneshwaran K, Nidish V, Madimorian D, Muhit S, and Krishant E. The next event chess, standard 8 and 9 boys, winners from the Blue House, Sabarivasan K, Sanjay K. Runners from the Red House, Lakshman V, Sugant V. Chess, standard 8 and 9 girls. Runners from the Blue House, Varsha G, Rakshita K. Chess winner from the Green House, Sujita K and Janita S. The next event, Carom, standard 8 and 9 boys, winners from the Green House, Mohammad Yasser A, Praveen K. Runner from the Red House, Kumalesh I, Yuvaraj S. The next event, Carom, standard 8 and 9 girls, winner from Green House, Pragati Sundari V, Pavitra M. Runner from the Red House, Kartiga S, Amirdini S. Throw ball, standard 8 and 9 girls, winners from the Green House, Kavineya V, Daphne M. Sahana A, Monisha K, Alvina MJ, Janani M, Venisha S, Hemapriya C, Girivardhana S, Vivita Sri P. Runners from the Red House, Koshika A, Hashita S, Moshika P, Varshini T, Joshika A, Akshaya M, Kavishakti P, Kavya Darshini BV, Sanjana T, Yoshini V, Swati S. 8th and 9th. 8th and 9th. The next game, badminton, standard 8 and 9 girls, winners from the yellow house. Kirti S and Madhunia S. Runner from the red house, Lakshya JB, Nityashree M. The next game, football, standard 10th boys. Winners from the green house, Loganath R, Mohammad Riaz S, Mohammad Ashraf A, Deva B, Abdul Rahman K, Sasi Kumar C, Hemanath S, Umar Farooq N. Runners from the blue house, Pavanan A, Hariharan S, Dinesh Karthik K, Udaya S, Avinesh S, Sai Prasad V, Kamesh K and Priyaranjan K. The next game, badminton, standard 10th boys. Winners from the red house, Divakar R, Sivanyanam S. Runner from the green house, Devanath K, Karan Haridas Bhavin H. Badminton, standard 10th girls, winners from the red house, Akshaya KR, Reena Jais M. Runners from the green house, Kirti Vishwata R and Hera V. The next game, basketball, standard 10 girls, winners from the yellow house, Ajita A, Garima Gapne, Hemashri P, Jeevita S, Gobika D, Rashmika P, Bhavana M, Sindhuja R. Runners from the blue house, Angelina M, Yogashri A, Suhaina Afrin N, Dhanushri S, Navina P, Charulata S, Kanishka B, Danshika I. The next game, football, Standard 11 boys. Winners from the Red House, Yogit D, Monishwar V, Sri Ishwar P, Kartigeyan C, Damodran V, Gokul P, Suraj V, Balamurugan R, Ritish M, Hevnath S, Pugarendi S, Sanjay Karthik B, Jagapriyan M, Ajay Santosh K, Kadiravan G. Football, Standard 11 girls. Winners from the Red House, Preeti B, Kavya R, Renuga V, Abhirami J, Jamuna Rani K, Pooja R, Ramila Begum S, Sanjini K. Runners from the greenhouse, Varsha K, Yogini V, Mridula V, Hasini R, Darshini T, Aarti R, Yogita A, and Sweta S. Next game, basketball, Standard 11 girls. Winners from the greenhouse, Anita R, Lokchana D, Aishwarya K, Gunavadi R, Soundarya I, Varsha R, Samira S, and Mitra SR. Runners from the Red House, Shivani SN, Harini V, Ilekya K, Sri Akshaya R, Dhanushri N, Divya L, Leena Sri M, and Abhiya P. Game, volleyball, Standard 11 boys. Winners from the greenhouse, Balasurian V, Sai Nivas B, Jayan A, Ajish M, Shifayat R, Saran Gandhi K, Jashwant Rajan SB, and Dhananjay M. Runners from the Red House, Selva M, Madesh A, Naveen M, Prasanna P, Albasit B, Logeshwaran N, Abdul Hamim A, and Saumian P. The next game, cricket, Standard 12 boys. Winners from the greenhouse, Rohit S, Chandru K, Vishnu K, Satyamurthy T, Ritish M, Puviyarasan K, Darun D, and Sharukesh I. Runners from the Red House, Nandakumar S, Akash V, Praveen T, Kishore A, Akash K, Murali Krishnan K, Kamalesh K, and Sailesh P. The next game, volleyball, standard 12 boys, winners from the Red House, Mohan E, Danush B, Adityan P, Kevin D, Naresh Kumar R, Akash T, Sridhar M, Akash M. Runners from the Yellow House, Mukesh D, Jyoti Kumar M, Vishwa K, Sharan B, Mohammad Yonas S, Kirti S, Harish M, and Danishwaran A. Throw ball, standard 12 girls, winners from the Blue House, Monisha M, Hema Mugeshwari V, Deepika A, Malini S, Sanjani R, Tanisha M, Haripriya S, and Kirtikara V. Runners from the Yellow House, Hajira M, Ramya V, Divya R, Narmada P, Priyadarshini A, Kritika C, Netra K, and Dilaksha B. The next game, basketball, standard 12 girls, winners from the Yellow House, Darshini P, Joyce Mary S, Akshaya P, Silambarasi S, Sanjushree S, and Deenal Hidayah S. Runners from the Green House, Preeti R, Sahana S, Yuvashree T, Dakshina K, Kirbavadi CS, and Yuvashree J. Game, Carom Boys, Standard 10th, winners from the Red House, Gautam J, Vishal S. Runners from the Yellow House, Shanmugapriyan S, and Guberian A. Karam Girls Standard 10th. Winners from the Greenhouse, Induja A and Afta Yafia S. Runners from the Yellow House, Ranjani S and Tarika M. Thank you.
And now, the most awaited moment, overall championship. Any guess? Any guess? Are you ready? Shall we start the countdown? 3, 2, 1.
हम करेंगे मुश्किलों से लड़ेंगे आगे बढ़ेंगे
And the winner is Greenhouse.
जीतेंगे
Yellow got 201 points, red got 211 points, blue got 231 points, and green got 233 points. Behind the success of today's event lies countless hours of dedication and teamwork. To express our heartfelt gratitude, I invite our Administrative Officer, Dr. Balakrishnan Sir, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Dear parents, students, and all the prize winners, sir, please. In the event, இங்க இவ்ளோ சூப்பரா இன்னைக்கு நடந்ததுக்கு ரெண்டு பேருக்கு நிச்சயமா நாம தேங்க் பண்ணியே ஆகணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்மளோட டெப்யூட்டி டைரக்டர் ஆஃப் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் சார் வைத்தியநாதன் சார் இந்த ஷார்ட் டைமில் ப்ளீஸ் கிவ் ஹிம் a big applause. இந்த ஒரு ரொம்ப ஷார்ட் டைம் ஆஃப் இன்விடேஷனில் அக்செப்ட் பண்ணி இங்கே வந்து அதுவும் ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு நிறைய கால்ஸ் நானும் பார்த்துட்டே இருந்தேன் சாருக்கு நிறைய கால்ஸ் வந்துகிட்டே இருந்தது. அது எல்லாத்தையுமே சார் வந்து அப்படியே ஸ்கிப் பண்ணிவிட்டு இங்கே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் குழந்தைங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே இன்னைக்கு கொடுத்த அவருக்கு அதில் இருந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் அதோடைய ஒரு பேஷன் தான் சொல்லணும். சாருக்கு அவ்வளோ ஒரு ஆர்வம் பசங்க எல்லாருக்கும் அதை கொடுத்தாகணுன்ட்டு ஒரு ரைட் ஃப்ரம் த ஸ்டார்டிங் ஃப்ரம் த பிகினிங்லேருந்து எண்ட் வரைக்கும் சாருக்கு ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் கூட இல்லை. அவ்வளோ ஒரு என்தூசியாஸ்டிக்காக அவ்வளோ ஒரு down to earth personality he is. Thank you sir, thanks for that. ஏன்னா உங்களுடைய இந்த ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லைன்னா நிச்சயமாக அது நடந்திருக்காது. அண்ட் செகண்ட் யாருக்கு நம்ம தேங்க் பண்ணணும் தெரியுங்களா? சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். வருண பகவான். ஏன்னா இன்னைக்கு மிகப்பெரிய மழை இருந்தது. ரொம்ப நாங்கள் ஆக்சுவலாக இன்னைக்கு இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் வந்து மே ஆர் மே நாட்டான்ற ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷனில் தான் இருந்தது. பட் thankfully, hopefully, இதை நடத்திடலாம். நேற்று வரைக்குமே we don't have hope. Seriously, we don't have hope. ஹோப்பே இல்லை, நடத்த முடியுமா இல்லை நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆர் சண்டே ஆர் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் நம்ம போஸ்ட்போன் பண்ணலாமான்ற ஒரு ஐடியாலஜியில் தான் இருந்தோம். பட் we need to thank at this moment to வருண பகவான். ஏன்னா ரொம்ப ஒரு இவ்வளோ நேரம் எந்த ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸ் கூட இல்லாமல் கிளைமேட் அதுவும் ரொம்ப நல்லா நமக்கு ஒத்துழைச்சது. ஸோ தேங்க் ஃபார் them. Thanks for the Almighty and thanks for all the people. I'll switch over. Sir, please, I request our AO sir to please carry on with the vote of thanks.
Good evening to everyone present here. It's my honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks on this wonderful occasion of our 40th annual Sports Days prize distribution celebration. Today has been a celebration of energy, enthusiasm, and sportsmanship, and it could not have been possible without the contribution of many individuals. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Vaidyanathan sir, Deputy Director, Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Puducherry, for gracing this event with your presence and inspiring our participants with your valuable words. Your encouragement will surely motivate our young athletes to strive for excellence. I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our correspondent sir, whose mission and constant encouragement made this event possible. A sincere thanks to our respected principal for the constant support, guidance, and vision that made this event a grand success. Your leadership continues to push us toward growth and achievement in all aspects. I thank our Vice Principal sir for his encouragement and active participation in bringing this event a successful one. I would also like to thank all the teachers, coaches, and physical education coordinators, physical education staff team, who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes, training, organizing, and supporting our students every step of the way. I thank all the members and students of the Certificate Preparation Committee and DTP for their exhaustive work. I thank all the cultural participants. You are the true stars of the uni. Your energy, creativity, and passion filled this stage with life. I thank all the prize winners for their enthusiasm, discipline, and sportsman spirit. Whether you won or not, your effort and determination are what made today memorable. Our heartfelt appreciation also goes to the volunteers and volunteers of NSS and NCC, student coordinators, and support staff. Your hard work and dedication ensured that everything ran smoothly from start to finish. I thank the in-charge and the team members of Blue Stars Cafe for availing nutritious, hygienic, and delicious snacks and drinks for the students. I thank all the multitasking staff who are going to make this ground ready for tomorrow's practice. A special thanks to our parents, guardians, and all the well-wishers for their encouragement and for being the strongest support system of our students. I thank the team members of Dandapani Electricals for making the stage in short time and offering wonderful audio system with a marvelous lighting effect. I thank Mr. Anthony and his team for the wonderful video coverage and photos. Finally, a big thank you to all the parents, guardians, and spectators for joining us and encouraging the spirit of sports in our children. Your presence means a lot to us. As we conclude today's celebrations, let's carry forward the values of teamwork, perseverance, and a fair play into our everyday lives. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you all.
As we come to the conclusion of this today's event, I request all the teachers, parents to rise for national anthem, and I also request the teachers to wait for the group photo after the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे